Today what I'm going to talk about is a little bit of advertising for our law firm. If you do have financial problems and are going to consider bankruptcy, trying to work with your creditors or other financial problems, you do need to come to our law firm for any number of reasons. All four of the attorneys, both myself, John Newton, Brent Snyder, and Casey Caldwell, are all licensed attorneys. Both myself and John Newton are board-certified consumer bankruptcy specialists. Brent Snyder and John Newton has attended Max Gardner's litigation boot camp, so we have some familiarity with how to deal with creditors outside the normal bankruptcy. I have attended a boot camp on Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, so we know how to deal with harassing creditors who misrepresent or abuse you. We have approximately 75 years of experience, which is by far more experience than anyone in our region. John Newton has been the longest standing Chapter 7 trustee in this district, which means that if there's any issues concerning what would a Chapter 7 trustee do in your case, it can be very easily answered in-house. In addition to which, we do have 3 offices. We are open Saturdays. We treat everybody like family, really like you want to be treated. If you have a question, you can email us and almost get an instantaneous answer 24/7. When you come in and start a bankruptcy, we work out payment plans for everybody. And assuming you can't pay us around the time you come in, we will write letters to your creditors. If you do a Chapter 13 case, your bankruptcy will be filed very quickly. But the big thing is we'll immediately give you instant assistance. We're instantly available. Our staff, we have a staff of approximately 20, of which one of our members has worked for Mr. Newton for a number of years, so we have paralegal experience working with Chapter 7 trustees. A number of our staff members have worked for United States Bankruptcy Court, plus the Chapter 13 trustee's office. So we have a greater depth and breadth of experience than anybody in town. We treat everybody like family. We price your cases based on the complexity of your case or the simplicity of your case. Obviously, the simpler your case is, the lower our price will be. So our fees are extremely fair, probably at the end of the day toward the medium end in town, but considering our experience, extremely fair. We've been doing this for any number of years, so if there's a problem because of a creditor starting to bother you, even though they were put on your bankruptcy, or a problem with a mortgage company 5, 6, 7 years from now, we're going to be here. And we will represent you, and you're always going to be our client once you sign with us. All our consultations are generally free. Your first consultation is always free. You can always email us, and we do not charge for the email consultation. So feel free at absolutely any time. But I think we give the best bang for the buck of any firm in town doing this type of work. Thank you.